And here's a profile from our resident Juneteenth artist, Ted Ellis.
My 30 years of engagement and where that has led, from my kitchen table, outdoor festivals, to classrooms, to schoolrooms, to museums. So it's a very powerful instrument. When I want to speak multiple languages, I paint. And the gifts that are given by the Creator, it's one to enlighten, one to engage, and one to heal. Art says nothing, but it says everything. And its power in that image and giving that kind of opportunity and placement of the art, the messaging of it, and for that timeline, things sometimes have different meanings depending upon society and the level of engagement. We create these environments for that. We call them museums. You want folks to come away feeling good about something, as we move forward, when we talk about hope and opportunity. But how do we get there? We get there together.